Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about 3 editing shortcuts that we use all the time. So here's the intro of the song we're working on. Okay, I want to take this intro and make it twice as long. So what I'm going to do is select the whole length of it, hit Command-Shift-D, which is going to duplicate the whole thing. Now our intro is twice as long. Okay, the opposite, if we want to shorten something, we're going to select the part we want to cut out, and we're going to hit Command-Shift-X. This is very similar to Pro Tools Shuffle mode. Okay, now we want to add some bars. So we're going to select where we want to add them, Command-I, and then we're going to put in as many bars as we want right here. So I'm going to add 8 and hit OK. And there we have our 8 bars. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.